All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. We had a really amazing trading day today, thanks to XPEV. So I had an amazing trading day on XPEV. Really made money. I made all the losses back on Monday, thanks to XPEV and Neo.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
So I did a short trade on Amazon too, didn't work out. Tesla also, I did a really nice trade on it, but I didn't partial the way that I wanted to. And let's go see what actually we traded. So XPEV apparently had a news that came out at around 8:55 that Volkswagen, I think, which is one of the biggest German car companies, are taking a stake in XPEV, and that was enough for this company to just squeeze up 32%. So very nice 1 minute opening range breakup. If you want to see who did that trade, we owe that to our really good friend of me, Peter. As you see, Peter take that trade right at the 1 minute opening range breakup. So it went long at around 18:05, and all the way you see we're running the whole $21. Unbelievable. Days like this, you can really make money on this volatility. So that was the trade that Peter did. Thank you, Peter. I came here. Peter was jumping in there, so he had a better entry than me. I kind of chased it long, added more at 18:40, and again added more at 18:75. There were big asks coming in, and as you see, it went all the way up to 21. 21 seems like it's kind of a top. And I want to show you actually the level 2 signals that we were getting. So that's why very aggressively trading on that. Here it is. So let me show you the level 2 signal that we had. Again, asks are really bullish. So this is a picture that I got for the break of 19. As you see here, 200 lots here. The lots are significantly higher. Look at the time, 9:39:11, and we had 9:44:28 again at 1960. You had again another one, and then a few seconds after you pop up toward 1950. Then 1945 again you had another one near 20. 1997 again. It's very important for you guys to see this level 2 here. So the big asks here. Look at the time, 9:45:26, and then I took a quick screenshot after that. 9:45, 49, 20 cents later, it popped up 20 cents, 30 cents. These are really amazing pops, and all the way up toward to 21. So very nice, very profitable trade on XPEV. And that was a trade for me. Tesla was also a very nice trade. Tesla is losing volatility. It's getting harder and harder to trade. I went short for the kind of a drop down. We discussed engulfing pattern yesterday. So this was like a 1 minute engulfing pattern. Dropped that. I went short. The stop loss was just above the VWAP. It went down to 261. I was hoping to get to 261.50. Didn't get there, and then it squeezed back up. And I got out at the break even. You could potentially switch to the long, because on a 5 minute now you have a really nice engulfing on a 5 minute. So again, the people who were in my presentation last night, we discussed this really nice. So this is a very nice engulfing, bullish engulfing. So essentially you could go long, stop loss just below the VWAP, and you can get such a huge nice run up toward this. So this would have been a very nice run. And 1 minute chart, the candlestick that really showed me signal for going long is this bullish candlestick with heavy volume. So you really could take this trade here in this area. So that was it for me, and I took that Neo as well. So Neo, this is called also sympathy play. When a Chinese car company, Chinese EV company is going up, actually you can do the trade. I went long, dropped, I added more, and came back. I got out of it at the break even, a little bit profit, but I really didn't want to hold it because I was in XPEV. So this is kind of a regret too. So I wish I was having it. And that's it. Brian, what did you trade? I know you killed it on XPEV as well.
I jumped into XPEV about probably the same time that Peter did. It really kind of just hovered at the open around that 1760 level, and then it's just started to move, and I just jumped into it. So so I got XPEV was my big trade. It actually did a little nice little pullback. I got out some and then added back on the first 2-minute pullback, and yeah, it worked out
Nice.
really well.
Yeah, XPEV is going to
So
go to toward
just needed
21.
one.
I
It's
sold
already
some a little
went
bit of
over
my
21.
position here. XPEV is gonna, yeah, popped up above 21.17. It's just amazing run up that we had. So we are going to New York City, guys. For those of you who are watching us, New York City is full force. Ardi is already there. Brian is already there. We are staying in Westin, Times Square in Manhattan. I'm gonna fly tomorrow, so we have 2 Nizy tours on Friday, and then we have 1 Nizy tour on Tuesday. The event is on Sunday and Monday. Excellent presentations. Be prepared. This is one of the best events that we have. We still have 3 tickets left. If anyone wants to join us, after that we get the room capacity for fire department, and then we really can't have anyone more than that. So really looking forward to having more members. This is going to be one of our best events in terms of quality of presentations, and we have sponsors that they wanted, the CME group, the exchange in Chicago, that they're doing commodities and futures trading. They want to come actually see us. They want to see our community because they want to promote trading futures and commodities in our community as well. So they're gonna come. I'm very excited for that, and I hope that that 3 people can actually make it. If not, we'll see you in the next event, guys. Yeah, that was great. Let's see if XPEV is fighting at 21 here. Let's
21 now, yeah.
21. So there might be some big ask for the break of 21. So be careful. Eventually, XPEV might give us a really good shorting opportunity. And let's see if it gets a double top or triple top. It would be a really nice shorting opportunity. All right, Brian, have a good day in New York. Stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, guys.
See you guys.